Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by for yet another video. I do appreciate that, and as always, I appreciate you. So, I'm over here at independent.co.uk, and I come across a really interesting story. It says, Storm Ophelia, town engulfed in foam as ex-hurricane sparks freak weather phenomenon. Freak incident occurred due to high winds and foam spraying off the sea. So there's really no danger to it, but just look at all the foam, you know, in this city. There's some pictures down below that I'm going to show you too, but just look at it. It looks like it's almost like, it's just insane, isn't it? It goes on to say, Storm Ophelia has caused a certain rare phenomena, including a red sun and birds swirling mysteriously in the sky shortly before the Category 1 storm hit. It says pictures from Lancashire, have shown another odd happening: an entire town covered in foam. Due to high winds and foam whipping off the sea, roads and buildings were covered with foam and made driving conditions difficult. The bizarre occurrence around 6 kilometers north of Blackpool was documented as Ophelia raged over Ireland and the UK, making landfall in County Kerry in West Ireland earlier Monday morning and pummeling the country, with gusts of winds of up to 100 miles an hour. Now, Ophelia was a Category 3 storm as it intensified over the weekend, churning from the Azores across the Atlantic towards the UK. It says experts claimed that it was the most eastern storm in the Atlantic basin since Hurricane Francis in 1980 and the worst storm in general since Hurricane Debby in 1961, which killed 12 people. It says although the storm has weakened, Ireland has been warned to prepare for Storm Brian this weekend. So we're going to have to look into that. There must be another named storm, and I didn't know that's coming towards them. So, and then it says around 2,000 homes in Wales is still without power. It says a yellow weather warning for wind remains in Northern Ireland, southern and central Scotland, North England, and northwest Wales on Tuesday afternoon. Goes on to say that Ireland has already been hit with the red wind alert this week, with all schools closing down and public transport networks severely disrupted. And it goes on to say that while more than 1,000 armored personnel were sent to impacted areas, power lines were out and roads were blocked due to flying debris and dozens of fallen trees. It goes on to say that they declared a national emergency and said it was the worst storm in half a century. At least 3 people have died, unfortunately, during the storm, including one woman whose car was hit by a falling tree in Waterford. So my thoughts, prayers go out to those that lost their lives and the family and the family members that have been affected by that, and just everyone that's been affected by the storm. So let's take a look at these photos of this foam, though. I mean, this guy he's like he's out taking a jog or something, as this foam just comes flying in off the sea here. You can see this van, like they don't even know like what to do. This is amazing to me. And even though it really didn't cause too much of a danger, well, I mean, driving you had to be careful, obviously, but I mean, it's just insane. Look at this. Such an interesting story, but I wonder what this is laying over here. It looks like, oh, it's a garbage can. Okay. I mean, it makes sense. You know, high winds blowing this in off the ocean there. But, I mean, I thought this was a really interesting article. I thought I'd share with you, you know. So, again, just a quick video to show you this sea foam that got blown in off the sea because of the freak incident during the high winds. So again, thanks for supporting the channel and coming back and watching these videos. I do appreciate every single one of you. I truly do. Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below, and turn on that bell notification as well if you'd like to get my videos as soon as they're uploaded. Again, I appreciate you. Have a great day. Peace.